Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make strawberries and cream Shiratama Dango Dumplings. It's quick, easy yet delicious and fun to make. Kids enjoyed making it. My daughter who turned second grade from this April did a great job. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Mash strawberries with a fork. By the way, as you can see, you don't have to mash them perfectly. Add Shiratamako lumpy glutinous rice flour and knead the dough with your hands until smooth. Flatten out the dough with your hand between two sheets of plastic wrap. Cut out the dough with a cookie cutter. Microwave a cup of water on medium for a minute. Place the dumplings in a microwavable bowl and pour in the hot water you just microwaved. Again, microwave on medium for 2.5 minutes. Transfer the dumplings into iced water to cool and remove the slimy texture. Place the dumplings on a dish with cut strawberries. Then drizzle with sweetened condensed milk to finish.
Almost done.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hi. 美味しい。
普通においしい。
すごいよく食べてるね。
おいしいよ。
美味しい。よかった。
皆さんもぜひ作ってみてください。チャンネル登録お願いします。ゲットボタン押してね。